she's a clean bunny. Years. And how many more years do you think that she will be alive? Up to 20?
She's immortal. She cannot die of natural causes. She can be killed, but she cannot die of natural causes. Yeah, I'm convinced this rabbit is just ridiculous.
She's immortal. Oh
yeah, definitely immortal. Yeah, rabbits do not live this long.
And you got her in a pet shop or in a...
Oh, and I adopted her. Yeah. She was someone else's rabbit. And the police took her away, and they gave her to me. Yeah, so look at that. Up. She's thinking. Is it right to clean myself? This rabbit knows more about philosophy than most of the people in our department. She's pondering life. She's like, well, is it ethical for me to clean myself? I just did. She's thinking about it. She's really thinking about it. I don't think it'll happen.
But is she like doing something with her teeth now, or is...
When they're happy, they grind their teeth. When she's happy, she grinds her teeth. Some rabbits grind their teeth as a warning, but when she's happy, she does it. That doesn't work.
That doesn't work.
Yeah, clicking doesn't get it. No, that's not going to get her attention. She really doesn't care about you.